Saturday came round and I ventured outside. Groups of friends on the way to the pub pushed past me, pumped up for another big Saturday adventure, excited, primed. Men on a mission lumbered by with great expectations and even bigger imaginations. And as they moved by, laughing in their scoop neck t-shirts revealing tattoos on bulging biceps, I felt a little uneasy, scared. An animal out of hibernation, my senses heightened. I waited for something to explode, for one of the leery passers-by to approach me, stop,